This is Michael Downs coming to you from Hayward Allen Motor Company in Athens, Georgia, here to present to you a 2016 Mazda 6 touring package, fresh out of service and clearing detail. This vehicle is a local trade-in with 27,000 miles. It has the black leather interior, equipped with factory navigation. Got the Mazda all-weather floor mats front and rear. Very well maintained vehicle. Previous owner traded up to an Enclave for more room for the family. Please call for more information. I can be reached at 706-621-8518. Financing is available with approved credit. Extended warranties are also available up to and past 100,000 miles. Again, this vehicle is at Hayward Allen Motor Company, 2590 Atlanta Highway, Athens, Georgia. Please ask for Michael, 706-621-8518.